up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now today's video, as you guys have read the title already, is going to be about a really cool gadget that I came across that will take your smartphone photography skills to another level. If you're looking for something to boost up your smartphone photography game, whether you are interested in the field or are trying to make it as a small-time amateur photographer, this is a gadget that I think that every one of us should have, because it's gonna let you take those amazing super high quality DSLR type pictures but from your phone instead. Now if that interests you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so the gadget that I am talking about is the Rhino Shield Wide and Macro 2-in-1 4K lens system for your smartphone. And basically this is a set of two different lenses in one of them having a wide angle fisheye GoPro-like look if you will, and the other having a macro zoomed in look to click macro photos. And while there are various lenses like this one on the market, what makes this particular one stand out is the fact that the lenses are actually super high in quality and maintain that after you attach it to your phone. Now it supports full 4K video and therefore is the highest quality you can find to improve your smartphone photography by bounds for the price that it is available for. Alright, with that out of the way, as far as the contents of the box are concerned, you get the lens itself and a soft touch velvet bag to carry it around safely. Now with that done, there is a lot of information on the box as well as the packaging on how to use the lens and actually attach it to your phone, but we'll get into that in a second. Now as far as the looks and the first impressions of the lens are concerned, boy oh boy, this screams premium and it looks absolutely amazing. And you might be wondering, shouldn't this lens have two lenses because it has wide angle plus a macro look? Well, simply turn the wide angle lens anti-clockwise and what it does, it comes off, and what you're left with attached on your phone is the macro attachment, which can be used for macro photos. Now this smart engineering of the product allows you to carry one lens that does the work of two, and in my opinion it is straight up insane. You just have to carry one around, you can put it in your pocket, take it out anywhere and use it as and when you require it. Now coming to the results, and as far as the results are concerned, now I put both the lenses through test and took them out for a run, and you guys should be seeing the results on your screens right now. And the wide angle lens truly does wonders and gets you so much more area to shoot from when you're in a place where you can't really move forward or backwards, and the macro helps you get into those tight spaces and get that detail at a very close distance. However, I was not expecting or surprised by this, because this is what the lens are supposed to do and this is what a lot of lenses do. What I was most surprised with was the fact that whether it was in photo or video mode, while using the lenses there was absolutely no loss in quality, detail, the dynamic range or anything of that sort. And these are the things that you should look out for and are really important whenever you're adding a separate piece of glass in front of your phone's camera. So basically they can make and break your picture or your video. Sure, you'll get that wide angle or macro effect, but the fact that they are not spoiling the quality of the picture that your phone can click is one of the main things you should look out for whenever you're buying such mobile photography accessories. Now coming back on how to use the lens, you will need to get the adapter for your device from Rhino Shield's website, and they support usually all of the latest flagship devices and many other devices. The links in the description below, be sure to check the website out. And also you'll need a certain case for your phone that will hold everything together and provide you with great protection on the side. And more importantly, if you think this is a lot of stuff that you need to purchase, the prices that they are available for, you should definitely check it out. And for all of you that have made it this far in the video, I have a little gift for you guys. If you guys use the code Anubhav during checkout, that's ANUBHAV, you will get 10% off. So definitely check all the links in the description below. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This is really a tool that all of us should own if you're looking to expand your smartphone photography game. I mean, you saw the samples and the leap that it takes in quality as well as quantity is absolutely insane. So if you're interested at all in the product, be sure to check the links in the description below. And with that being said, this is Anubhav signing out. I know I was pretty late with this video after like 2 weeks of not uploading, but that was because I had my midterm exams and my college going on and I had to prepare a bit for that. Until then guys, videos will be very regular from now on. And yeah, this is Anubhav signing out. I will catch you guys next time. Be sure to check me out on Instagram and on Twitter for more behind the scenes and other updates. And because you guys are amazing subscribers and you'd like to follow me there as well. Until then, this is Anubhav signing out. I will catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.